Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Professor Mokhtar Al-Ghorafi. Inshallah, in this video, we are going to discuss the instrument and analysis of drugs in the problem number 112. We are going to discuss the solution of this problem. Now, in this problem, we are going to discuss about using the IR spectrum, HNMR, C13 NMR, and using the mass fragmentation. All of them will be applied in this video. Starting with our problem with the first thing using the IR. As we can see from this diagram, we have two appearing peaks. That the first one appears at 1666 here exactly. There is a peak at 106,000 indicates the presence of stretching of C double bond O. We clearly say that we have stretching of C double bond O in this group. Also, we have another peak at after 3000 that indicates the presence of aromatic group. So we can see from the IR that we have two different peaks that indicates two different functional groups. Now let's go to calculate the hydrogen deficiency. How to calculate the index of hydrogen deficiency? By using the formula C2H16 and O2. By using the general formula, which is CnH2n plus 2, we can know that we have, by applying the rule and using the numbers, that we have 5 double bonds. That indicates another thing in our calculation. Now let's go by analysis by using the C13 NMR. In the C13 NMR, we can notice that from the proton decoupled, the presence of 3 aliphatic carbon at 30 here exactly, and we have also 45 and 58, that these three together that indicates the 3 aliphatic carbons. And also we have the presence of aromatic carbons between 110 and 165 here exactly, that indicates what? Indicates the aromatic carbons. That confirms to the presence of benzene ring. So this means that we have a benzene ring. Number 3, that we have 2 carbon environments of CH in benzene ring, 2 large peaks and 2 asymmetric environment of carbon atoms, 2 small peaks. This indicates the presence of carbonyl at 208 exactly pm, as also we saw in the IR and the IHD hydrogen deficiency. Now let's go to another thing by using the DEBT. We have 4 carbon environments, 2 in the aliphatic chains as we said, and the 2 in the aromatic. With the carbonyl group and the 2 due to the formula of C12, this indicates the presence of asymmetric or symmetric carbon. Now, using the analysis by HNMR spectrum, as appears in the following diagram, that we have here we have 4 environments. We have 2 doublet peaks between 6.5 and 7 and 7.5 and 8 here exactly, that we have 2 we have 2 doublet peaks that indicates they are the neighbors to the CH, and we have also 2 sharp singles peak at 1.5 here exactly, and another at 3.6 here exactly. That the first occurs upshielding. What does it mean upshielding? This means it is far from the withdrawing group, in this space to the TMS, to the 0. And also the second occurs down, which is deshielding. Deshielding means what? Far from the TMS, far from the withdrawing group here, near to the withdrawing group in this position. Okay, so we can complete the analysis of HNMR. Now let's go to the mass. We know in the mass we use the fragmentation, fragmentation by the removal of groups. We can notice that in the mass we have the molecular ion, which is 192, and by the molecular ion in the mass spectrum gives the molecular weight, which is 192. By using the removal, we have 2 removal here, or 2 fragmentations. Number 1, 192 minus 107, the result is what? Is 85. That indicates of the removal of what? Of C double bond O, CH3, all of them 3, that confirm the presence of carbonyl, as we said in the IR. And also the second one, which is 192 minus 135, the result is 57. That indicates the removal of what? CH3, all of them 3, that confirm the presence of aliphatic chains. Okay, so from the whole discussion about these things, we can notice that we have the final structure of this compound that we go through by using the IR spectrum, by using the HNMR, by using C13, by using the mass fragmentation. So we have the final result of this structure, as we say here, which is C12H16O2. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you did enjoy, and good luck.